Good day everyone. So for today's video, we're going to solve a problem solving about chimney. So the problem is a boiler may have waste gases leaving the installation when artificial draft is used at 150 degrees C. The natural draft chimney is of 60-meter height. The hot gases within chimney are at temperature of 300 degrees C and air requirement is 19 kg per kilogram of fuel burned. The atmospheric air is at 17 degrees Celsius temperature and mean specific heat of hot gases is 1.0032 kilojoules per kilogram Kelvin. The calorific value of the fuel burned is 32,604 kilojoules per kilogram. Determine the draft proceed in mm of water. B. The efficiency of chimney. C. The extra heat carried away by flue gases per kilogram of fuel. So the solution is we have draft in millimeter of water column. So we have a formula of H equals 353 times H times 1 over T air minus M plus 1 over M times T gas. So we have a 353 constant times H is equals to 60. Then 1 over T air is equals to 290 minus 19 mass plus 1 over 19 mass times T gas is equals to 573. So calculate it so we can get a H is equals to 34.13 millimeter. So next is we solve the H. So we have a formula of H times M over M plus 1 times T gas over T air minus 1. So we have a 60 times 19 over 19 plus 1 times 573 over 290 minus 1. So calculate it so we can get a 52.62 meter. So next is to get the efficiency of chimney. So we have a formula of 9.1 times H over 1000 times Cp times T gas minus T artificial. So plug in the given. So we have 9.81 times 52.62 over 1000 times 1.0032 times 573 minus 423. So calculate it so we can get a efficiency of 0.0034%. The next is to get the extra heat carried by flue gases per kilogram of fuel. So we have a formula of mass of flue gases times Cp gas times T gas minus T artificial. So we have a extra heat carried by flue gases per kilogram of fuel is equals to M plus 1 times Cp gas times T gas minus T artificial. So plug in the given. So we have 19 plus 1 times 1.0023 times 573 minus 423. So calculate it so we can get a 3009.6 kilojoules per kilogram of fuel. That's all. Thank you.